Hi, my name is Crypto Nerd, and in this video I'll go through the latest developments in the economy and the crypto industry. Before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Currently sitting at 214 subscribers, hoping to hit the magical 1,000 mark as soon as possible. So the big news, US inflation has finally dropped, first time since April. The consensus was US inflation would come in at 8.7% in July. It's come in at 8.5%. This is largely due to the gas prices dropping sharply. After June, it was a mid-average of $5 per gas price, and now they've dropped considerably. That's a drop of almost 0.6% in July. In June the figure was 9.1% of inflation. But the report once again showed how broadly inflation has spread. Core inflation still stayed at 5.9%. So yeah, after stripping out food and energy costs as well, which are highly volatile, prices climbed by 5.5% in the end of July, matching last month's reading as well. As I said, main reason for the drop in price was gas prices. Prices for other commodities, including copper, wheat, and corn, also dipped after rising sharply after Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Also worth noting, the Labour Department reported the gasoline index fell 7.7% in July. The food index increased 10.9% over the last year, the largest 12-month increase since May 1979. Inflation is still high. It's worth noting. You also saw that Biden passed a $739 billion Inflation Reduction Act in the Senate. The bill aims to tackle climate crisis by lowering health cost cares and raising taxes for the large corporations. It's also worth noting US added 528,000 jobs in July, so rather bullish month. You can see the price of Bitcoin's gone up drastically. Yesterday it dipped to 22,600. Today it's trading above 24,000. Altcoins are considerably up. We also saw Biden do a press conference recently saying that our economy had 0% inflation in July. So yeah, all in all bullish. So Bitcoin also reclaimed its 455 billion cap. Crypto.com CEO said that the crypto industry will bounce back. Avalanche has been performing very well over the last 2 weeks in terms of daily transactions, which peaked today, reflected in the price above $30. Last night, Elon Musk sold 6.9 billion Tesla shares. That's reported due to potentially him having to buy Twitter in his Twitter argument. It's also worth noting that with Elon Musk selling this, he might have to sell his remaining 25% of crypto as well if he has to end up buying out Twitter. So yeah, Coinbase is up despite reporting a fall in revenue of 31%. All in all, very bullish news. As I said, reflected in the altcoins. Matic's above 0.94 today at one point. So yeah, one question to viewers out there: do you think inflation has peaked, or do you think it will peak in Q4 this year, which is the consensus among many economists? We saw what the Bank of England in the UK said. Inflation is going to continue to rise. They're already preparing for gas cuts in the winter, etc., etc. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think Bitcoin will trade above 28k? I do personally think at the end of this month. If you found the video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I hope to see you soon. Thanks, everyone.